To use FileCoder, you must be authenticated within the company. The program interacts directly with Inventor, which is why no buttons are visible. When using the Save or Save As command, the normal operation of Inventor is interrupted to display the FileCoder window. FileCoder also intervenes when the Create command is used. The Save window is divided into three areas: Destination folder selection, display of models present in the destination folder, and coding method. The folder browser has the workspace folder as its root. From here, you can add new folders by right-clicking. When a folder is selected, the document browser shows a list of assembly and part documents contained within, also allowing you to apply a filter. The coding method section is divided into two panels: automatic and manual. Manual coding allows you to create a name of your choice. Automatic coding, on the other hand, displays a list of codifiers generated by the administrator. By selecting an automatic coding option, FileCoder generates the document name according to the set instructions. Since the system is centralized on Sistemi servers, each time a code is used by a user, it will no longer be replicated.